How to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator crashing, not launching, freezing, and black screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to troubleshoot game issues. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to click on the search bar and type in Device Manager. And click on the display adapters and right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Choose to search automatically for the drivers and wait for the installation to complete. Now simply close the window. And if that does not work, open Steam and go to the library. Right-click on the game that's not working and click on Properties. Click on Local Files and then verify the integrity of the game files. And after completion, click on Browse. Right-click on the game application and select Properties again. Check the compatibility by running the program in the compatibility mode, such as Windows 7 or Windows 8. And also disable the full screen optimizations and run the program as an administrator. Apply the changes and try playing the game. If the issue still persists, click on the search bar and type in Update. Now simply go and click on Check for Updates option. Once completed, close the window and right-click on the Start menu and open the Task Manager. Now disable any unused applications under the Startup tab. Right-click on it and click on Disable if available. If the issue still continues, click on the search bar and type in CMD and run it as an administrator. Now simply type in SFC scan now and wait for the process to complete. Close the window and click on the search bar again and type in security. Open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Manage Settings option. Add exclusions for the problematic file or the folder and then restart your PC. Now add exclusions for the problematic file or folder and then restart your PC. So I hope these steps will help you resolve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.